everyone, welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for pre-order notification in a fashion brand. Whether you run an online shop or you're a part of a fashion brand, keeping your customers informed regarding pre-order collection is crucial for driving engagement and sales. So using Pabbly Chatflow, you can create a WhatsApp chatbot that responds to customer queries and collect customers' interest all without manual efforts. So if you also want to take your customers' interest on next level, let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I am going to show you how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for pre-order notification in a fashion brand. Before launching a new collection, brands often struggle to build enough anticipation or gather committed buyers early. Traditional marketing such as emails may not feel personal or instant enough to convert interest into action. So this chatbot is an all-in-one solution. This chatbot announces the pre-orders that are opening soon, let customers sign up early via chat, and early sneak peeks of new designs. So let's create our own chatbot. But firstly, I am going to show you the realistic work of a chatbot. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. As you can see, I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now let's type a message hello here. You can see as I am entering the message hello, I am receiving an automated welcome message that is, hey there trendsetter, our limited edition collection is dropping soon. Want to stay ahead of the crowd? Choose what you had like to get notified about. And I am getting 3 buttons, that is notify for pre-order, sneak peek and stock updates. Now let's select notify for pre-order. Once I selected notify for pre-order, I am getting a message which is asking for my name, email and contact number. Now let's enter these details. As soon as I am entering the details, that is name, email and contact number, I am getting a message which is confirming me that now I am on their VIP pre-order list. Now let's enroll to our another option, that is sneak peek. After selecting sneak peek, I am getting a message which consists of an image and I am getting 2 buttons, that is join early bird list and exit. Now let's click on join early bird list. Once I am selecting join early bird list, I am getting a message which consists of the 2 buttons, that is yes notify me and not now. So now let's select yes notify me here. Once I am selecting yes notify me, it is providing me a thank you message. Now let's select our another option, that is stock updates. Once I am selecting stock updates, it is providing me a message which is asking me for my name. Now let's enter the name here. I am going to enter a name here, that is user. Once I am entering the name, it is providing me a thank you message and it is confirming me that officially now I am the part of their VIP fashion community and I will get the notification as soon as the pieces are back. So you can say this is the realistic work of a chatbot. You can also create a chatbot for your business like this using Pabbly Chatflow. But for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you have to enter its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly and here you can see you are getting the 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are the new user, you can just click on sign up free, and if you are an existing user, you can just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up on Pabbly, you will get this page and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. But for creating a chatbot, you just need to access Pabbly Chatflow and here you can see you are getting the option for Pabbly Chatflow and we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to click on access now. Once you click on access now, you will get the dashboard page of Pabbly and here you can see I have already added a WhatsApp number. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number. Here you can see you are getting the option for folders. You can create your own folders by just clicking on create a new folder button, and on the sidebar you can see the features provided by Pabbly. The first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive the messages from our user and we send them the automated reply. The next one we are getting is contacts. Here you can manage your contact list. Now the another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage the team access for managing the chatbot. Now we have templates. Here you can create your own templates. Now another one we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast your messages, you just have to click on broadcast. Another one we are getting is flows. Flows are basically the path which our chatbots follows. For creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. You can add your own AI assistant here. Now another one we are getting is settings. You can manage your settings accordingly here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can just click on get help. Now for creating a chatbot, we just need to access flows. For that you have to click on flows. Once you click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see I have already created many flows. For creating your own flow, you just need to click on add flow. Once you click on add flow, this flow page will appear in front of you, and here you can see you are getting the flow start node. Here you can edit the name of your flow. Here you can see I have provided the name how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for pre-order notification in a fashion brand. You can name your flow according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, here you can see it is asking me to enter keywords. Keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter for starting the chats. Now another one we are getting is rejects. Rejects are basically the complex keywords which a user can enter. And the last one we are getting is choose template. You can also add template to your messages by selecting choose template. Now I am going to enter some keywords for my user such as hi, hello. I have entered a keyword that is hi. Now I am going to enter a keyword hello. I have entered another keyword that is hello. Now I am going to enter some rejects, that is complex keywords. Here I have entered two rejects, that is notification and fashion. You can also add your rejects according to you in this way. Now if my user enters the keywords or send me a message, I want to send them a welcome message. For that I will just drag and drop, and here you can see you are getting many options, that is text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message and templates. For creating a message, you just need to click on text plus button. Once you click on text plus button, here you will get the message node. Here you can enter the message you want to send to your user. I have entered a message for my user. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that I will just click on add button. Once I clicked on add button, I am getting an option for entering the text. Here you can enter the text of your button. I have created my first button, that is notify for pre-order. Now I am going to create my another button. For that I will just click on add button and enter the text of my second button. And my second button is sneak peek. Now I am going to create my third button. For that I will just click on add button and create my third button, that is stock updates. Here you can see I have successfully entered a message for my user and created 3 buttons. Now if my user selects notify for pre-order, I want to ask them a question. For that I will go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask question. Just click on ask question and the question node is appeared in front of you. Now let's connect this notify for pre-order button to the question node. Here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. Here I am asking for the name, email and contact number of my customer. Now let's select the contact custom field here. Now I am going to select the description as my contact custom fields. You can also create your own contact custom field. For that just go to settings, and here you can see you are getting the option for contact custom fields. So just create your contact custom fields by clicking on it. Now let's select the format here. Here I am going to select my format as any. If my user provides me the details, I want to send them a confirmation message that I have received their response, and I will send them the notification as soon as the products arrive. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button here to enter the message. Here you can see I have entered a message for my user. Now let's enhance our sneak peek button and enter a message for the user. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button. I have entered a message for my user. Now I want to provide an image to my user. For that I will just select add content, and here you can see you are getting the option for media. Once you select the media, you can provide any type of media to your customers such as image, audio, video, document, etc. Now here I have to select the media type. Now I am going to select the media type as image. Here you can see I am having an image named as fashion. Now I am going to just drag and drop this file here. I have dropped this file, and now you can see I have already got the URL of this file. Now I am going to provide a caption for this image. I have provided a caption for this image, that is latest design. Now I am going to create 2 buttons. For that just click on add button and enter the text of your button. I have created my first button. Now I am going to create my another button, that is exit. Now if my user select join early bird list, I want to provide them a message. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button. Now I am going to enter a message for my user. Here I have entered a message for my user. Now I am going to create some buttons. For that I will just click on add button and enter the text of my buttons. I have created my first button, that is yes notify me. Now I am going to create my another button, that is no not now. For that just click on add button and enter the text of your button. Now if my user selects yes notify me, I want to send them a message. For that just drag and drop and select text plus button and enter the message you want to send to your customer. Here I have entered a confirmation message for my user that now they are officially part of the fashion VIPs. Now if my user selects not now, I want to send them a thank
thank you message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button and enter the thank you message for my user. I have entered a thank you message for my user. I want to provide thank you message to my user if they clicks on exit. For that, I will just connect this exit button to this message node. Now let's create some stock updates for our user. For that, firstly I am going to ask a question from my user. For that, just go to actions and here you are getting the option for ask question. Once you clicked on it, you will get the question node here. Now just connect this stock updates to this question node. Here you can enter the message or question you want to ask from a user. Now I am going to select contact custom field as name and the format of this would be text. Here as I am selecting text, it is asking me enter number. You can enter the number of attempts you want to provide to your user and here you can enter the validation message. Now if the user enters the details, I want to provide them a thank you message. For that, just drag and drop and select text plus button here. Here you can see I have entered a confirmation and thank you message for my user. This is the way you can create your flow for your chatbot. Now for saving the flow, you just have to click on save. Once you click on save, a pop-up will appear in front of you that is flow updated successfully. Means you have successfully saved your flow. Now let me take you towards my inbox section for showing you how we are receiving the messages from our user and how we are sending them the automated reply. For that, you just have to click on inbox. After clicking on inbox, this inbox section has appeared. Here you can see we are successfully receiving the messages from our user and our automated reply are successfully sent or delivered to them. Use Pabbly Chatflow for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot for your business. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
You can create multiple chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com. And if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. And if you have any price related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So go and create your WhatsApp chatbot for your business and try Pabbly Chatflow for free now.